video about penguins. Look at Happy Feet.
No, look, they're right there. See?
I'm the freezing in there.
Oh yeah, man. Feel it. And this is double ply.
See them?
So you're just getting a little bit of the cold.
You see a thermostat?
It's the same temperature as here.
How you know? You see
It
it?
says it may be a 2 degrees.
Penguins.
This will be up and dressed.
Oh look, these swimming. Look, they. He thinks it's another
Poor
penguin.
thing, he's swimming against the line.
He thinks it's another
He's so
penguin.
clever. Poor thing. It's like he's on a treadmill.
Yeah. Oh.
No one, Bella, look at me for 1 minute. No, stay where y'all were.
Damn, I think you. Now he coming towards us. No. Hot Jaws thing.
Look at the job.
I gotta stop now because we're about to take pictures.